Arrive in style with this 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, front reading lights, radio data system, voltmeter, smooth ride suspension package, remote keyless entry, CD player, power steering, and leather steering wheel. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.